Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello friends, now we see the problem of binomial distribution. As compared to previous problem, this problem is same but the calculation part is quite difficult. Let's see how I am going to solve it in simple manner so that it is easily understood. The question is, a student is given a quiz with 10 true or false questions and he answers by sheer guessing. If capital X is the number of questions answered correctly, what is probability distribution of X? If the student passes the quiz by getting 7 or more correct answers, then what is probability that the student passes the quiz? Now let's see the solution. First of all, in the questions, there are totally 10 true or false questions. So it means the number of trials, that is n, is equal to 10. And then here the answer only two ways. One is true and second is false. So now first of all, let capital X represent number of questions answer correctly. Then probability P that the answer is correct is 1 by 2. Since for every question there are only two answers, one is true and other is false. So probability that the answer is correct is given by P equal to 1 by 2. Then Q equal to 1 minus P. So that equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. And that equal to, on cross multiplying, we get Q also equal to 1 by 2. Then X follows binomial distribution with parameter N and P. So that equivalent to X follows binomial distribution with parameter N equal to 10, comma, and probability of answer correct is 1 by 2. Then the probability mass function of X is given by probability X is equal to R is equal to NCR into P raise R into Q raise N minus R, comma, R takes value from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 10 since there are only 10 questions. So therefore, probability x is equal to r is equal to, for n we substitute 10, so we have 10 CR. For p and q we replace 1 by 2, so we have 1 by 2 raise r into 1 by 2 raise 10 minus r, comma r takes value 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 10. Now first we consider the value of r, that is 0. So when r is equal to 0, we have probability x is equal to 0 is equal to 10C0 into 1 by 2 raise 0 into 1 by 2 raise 10 minus 0. So that equal to, now 10C0 gives 1, 1 by 2 raise 0, that also give 1. So we left with only 1 by 2 raise 10. So on simplifying this, we gives us 1 upon 2 raise 10. So that is answer for probability x equal to 0. Next value, when r is equal to 1. So we have probability x equal to 1, that equal to 10C1 into 1 upon 2 raise 1 into 1 upon 2 raise 10 minus 1. So that equal to, now 10C1 gives us 10 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 whole bracket raise 9. So in this way we get probability of x equal to 1 is equal to 10 upon 2 raise 10. Then when r takes value 2, then we have probability x equal to 2. So that equal to 10C2 into 1 by 2 raise 2 into 1 by 2 raise 10 minus 2. On simplifying further, so that equal to, now 10C2 can be calculated in shortcut way as 10 into 9 upon 2 into 1. Then into 1 by 2 raise 2, again into 1 upon 2 raise 10 minus 2 gives 8. So finally on cancellation, that 2 ones are 2 and 2 fives are 10. So 5 into 9, so that gives 45 upon 2 raised 2 into 2 raised 8. So that gives totally 2 raised 10 by using law of indices. So in this way we get the value that probability x equal to 2 is equal to 45 upon 2 raised 10. Now we consider when r equal to 3. So probability x equal to 3. So that equal to 10c3 into 1 by 2 raised 3 into 1 by 2 raised 10 minus 3. So that equal to, now 10c3 can be calculated as 10 into 9 into 8 upon 3 into 2 into 1 into 1 upon 2 whole bracket raised 3 into 1 upon 2. Now 10 minus 3 gives 7. So 1 by 2 raised 7. So that equal to, now we go for cancellation, that 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So 5 into 3 15 and 15 into 8. So that gives 120. Then here we have 1 upon 2 raised 3 into 1 upon 2 raised 7. So total we get 1 upon 2 raised 10 power. So that write in the denominator as 2 raised 10. So in this way, probability x equal to 3 gives us 120 upon 2 raised 10. Now we consider when r is equal to 4. So probability x is equal to 4. So that equal to 10c4 into 1 upon 2 raised 4 into 1 upon 2 raised 10 minus 4. So that equal to, again 10c4 can be calculated as 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. Total 4 numbers upon, in the denominator we have 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Then into 1 upon 2 raised 4 we write as it is into 1 upon 2 raised 10 minus 4 gives 6. So 1 by 2 raised 6. Now here we go for cancellations, that 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, again 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, then 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Now 7 into 3, 21, multiply by 10, so we get 210 upon, again 1 by 2 raised 4 into 1 by 2 raised 6, so that gives 1 by 2 raised 10. So we write 2 raised 10. So in this way, we get probability x is equal to 4 is equal to 210 upon 2 raised 10. Next we consider when r is equal to 5. So probability x equal to 5 is equal to 10c5 into 1 upon 2 raised 5 into 1 upon 2 raised 10 minus 5. On simplifying further, we get 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6. Total 5 numbers in the numerator upon 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Again 5 numbers in the denominator. Then into 1 upon 2 raise 5 we write as it is into 1 upon 2 10 minus 5 gives 5. Then here we go for cancellation, that 5 ones are and 5 twos are totally 10, so that we cancel from numerator. Then 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, and then 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. So we left with 3 into 2 into 7 into 6. Now 6 into 7, that gives 42. 42 multiplied by 2, so that gives 84. And 84 into 3, so that gives 252 upon. Now 1 by 2 raised 5 into 1 by 2 raised 5, so total we get 1 by 2 raised 10. So that we write 2 raised 10 in the denominator. So in this way we get probability x equal to 5 is equal to 252 upon 2 raised 10. Next, when r equal to 6. So probability x equal to 6 is equal to 10c6 1 upon 2 raise 6 into 1 upon 2 raise 10 minus 6. So that equal to, now 10c6 same as a 10c 10 minus 6, that is 4. Then into 1 upon 2 raise 6 into 1 upon 2 raise 4. Now 10c4 can be calculated as 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. So there are total 4 numbers in the numerator. So at the same time 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 4 numbers also in the denominator. Then into 1 by 2 raised 6 into 1 by 2 raised 4. So we get 1 by 2 raised 10. Now here we go for cancellations, that 4 ones are and 4 twos are. So that gives 8. We cancel 8 from numerator. And then 3 ones are and 3 threes are 9. So 7 into 3, 21 multiply by 10. So we get 210 and upon 2 raised 10 in the denominator. So in this way, probability x equal to 6 is equal to 210 upon 210. Then when r is equal to 7, so probability x equal to 7 is equal to 10c7 into 1 by 2 raised 7 into 1 by 2 raised 10 minus 7. So that equal to, now 10c7 can be written as 10c 10 minus 7, so that gives 3 into 1 upon 2 raised 7 we write as it is into 1 upon 2 raised 3. Now 10c3 can be calculated as 10 into 9 into 8. Total 3 numbers in the numerator, so upon 3 into 2 into 1 into 1 upon 2 raise 10. So that equal to, now we go for cancellation, that 2 ones are 2 and 2 fives are 10. Then 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. 5 into 3 15 into 8, so we get 120 upon 2 raised 10. So in this way we get probability x equal to 7 is equal to 120 upon 2 raised 10. Next value, when r is equal to 8. So probability x is equal to 8 is equal to 10c8 1 upon 2 raise 8 into 1 upon 2 raise 10 minus 8. So that equal to, now 10c8 can be written as 10c 10 minus 8, so that gives 2 into 1 upon 2 raise 8 into 1 upon 2 raise 10 minus 8 gives 2. Now 10c2 can be calculated as 10 into 9 upon 2 into 1 into 1 upon 2 raise 8 plus 2, so that gives 10. Now on cancellation we get 2 ones are 2 and 2 fives are 10. So 9 into 5 we get 45 upon 2 raise 10. So in this way probability x equal to 8 success, so that equal to 45 upon 2 raise 10. Now we consider the value when r is equal to 9. So probability x equal to 9 is equal to 10c9 into 1 by 2 raise 9 into 1 by 2 raise 10 minus 9. So that equal to, now 10c9 same as a 10c 10 minus 9 we get 1 into 1 upon 2 raise 9 into 1 upon 2 raise 10 minus 9 gives 1. So that equal to, now 10c1 gives 10 only into 1 upon 2 raise 9 plus 1 gives 10. And finally we get 10 upon 2 raise 10. So in this way probability x equal to 9 is equal to 10 upon 2 raise 10. And finally we consider the value when r equal to 10. So probability x equal to 10 is equal to 10c10 into 1 upon 2 raise 10 into 1 upon 2 raise 10 minus 10. So that equal to, now 10c10 gives 1 into 1 by 2 raise 10 into 1 by 2 raise 10 minus 10 gives 0. So finally we get 1 into 1 by 2 raise 10 into 1 by 2 raise 0, we get 1. So in this way we get 1 upon 2 raise 10. So therefore probability x is equal to 10 is equal to 1 upon 2 raise 10. Therefore the probability distribution of x is given by So here we prepare table. So in first block we write x, and second we write p of x, which represent probability of random variable x. Now here the x takes value from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and one more value we have, that x is equal to 10. Now when x is equal to 0, so we have probability that 1 upon 2 raise 10. For x equal to 1, we have probability that 10 upon 2 raise 10. Then when x is equal to 2, we have probability 45 upon 2 raised 10. For x equal to 3, we have probability 120 upon 2 raised 10. For x equal to 4, we have probability 210 upon 2 raised 10. Then for x equal to 5, we have probability 252 upon 2 raised 10. For x equal to 6, we have probability 210 upon 2 raised 10. For x equal to 7, we have probability 120 upon 2 raised 10. For x equal to 8, we have probability that 45 upon 2 raised 10. For x equal to 9, we have probability 10 upon 2 raised 10. And finally, for x equal to 10, we have probability 1 upon 2 raised 10. So this is our required probability distribution of random variable x. Now here we have to find if the student passes the quiz by getting 7 or more correct answers, what is probability that the student passes the quiz? So therefore, probability that student passes the quiz that equal to probability x greater than equal to 7. It means student pass in the quiz only when he should get 7 or more correct answer. So that is equal to probability x equal to 7 plus probability x equal to 8 plus probability x equal to 9 plus probability x equal to 10. Now probability x equal to 7, that given as 120 upon 2 raised 10. For x equal to 8, 45 upon 2 raised 10. For x equal to 9, 10 upon 2 raised 10. And for x equal to 10, we have answer 1 upon 2 raised 10. So substituting corresponding values, we have is equal to 120 upon 2 raised 10 for x equal to 7, plus for x equal to 8 we have 45 upon 2 raised 10. For x equal to 9 we have 10 upon 2 raised 10, and plus for x equal to 10 we have 1 upon 2 raised 10. Now here observe the denominator is same, so we take LCM as a 2 raised 10. So in the numerator we have 120 plus 45 plus 10 plus 1. On adding these we get 0 plus 5 plus 0 plus 1, so that is totally 6. Then 2 plus 4 6 plus 1 7, and then we write 1. So we get totally 176 upon now 2 raised 10, that gives 1024. Now here this calculation we have to do by using logarithm table. So that equal to log of 176 minus log of 1024. Now log of 176, it means 17 under 6. So that gives 2455. Since here 3 numbers, so characteristics is 2 point. Then minus, we have to find log of 1024. There are totally 4 numbers, so characteristics is 3. So 10, that we have to under 2, that gives 0086, and the mean difference 4. So that plus 17. So 0086 plus 17. So 6 plus 7 13, carry 1, 8 plus 2 10, carry 1 1. So it is 0103. Now we have to go for subtraction. That 2.2455 minus 3.0103. So 5 minus 3 gives 2, 5 minus 0 5, 4 minus 1 3, 2 minus 0 2. Now 2 minus 3, that gives minus 1, so can be written as bar 1. So anti-log in bracket bar 1.2352. So that equal to, now here we have to find anti-log of 23 under 5, that gives 1718, and the mean difference is 2, so that gives 1. It means 1718 plus 1, so that gives 1718 0.19. And since there is a bar 1, so we write point and then 0. So finally we get 0.1719. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.